Hello people, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make pixel art. So first what I need you to do is open up Google Sheets and click on this tiny cell over here. Then what you do is you drag this over so it makes like square. See that? It's like a square all the way down. So now I need you to count 19 squares towards the right. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 19. Okay, so that's 19. And then you'll need 19 squares down as well, so you can just see 19. And then after 19, what you need to do is go all the way down to however much it is. I think it's 1,000, and just delete that so it doesn't confuse you. Keep going. 600, 800, and done. Over here, make sure that you're holding shift the whole time. And then let go of it. Otherwise, you won't. Okay. And now what you do is you delete rows to 20 to 100. And see that? It's sort of uneven. It doesn't look much like a grid. So you can close it down a bit on both sides. And see, that looks way better. And now what you're going to do is go into format. And then you go into conditional formatting. And then what you need to do is apply to range A1 to Z. No, not Z, sorry. Oh yes, what you need to also do is delete this all the way to S. Okay, just delete those because you don't need that. Delete columns. Okay. Yep, that looks uneven, which is probably why it looked so uneven before. Anyway, that's it. So then what you need to do is go and write down S19. So that's the range. So it takes all the colors and it goes from A1 all the way to S19. So that's how much you need to do. And then in format rules, you click on is not empty, this bar, and then you go down to is equal to. And then you put the value or formula 1. And then for fill color, you click on custom. And then I use a tool called Color Pick Eyedropper. And what you need to do is you go on whatever image you're using. For, in this case, I'm making sunglasses emoji. And you just copy the color of whatever you're using. And then you just paste over here. So it's like Control V. And that is, and then you click on text color. And you also make sure, just right. And then you click done. And so if I write 1 anywhere over here, like 1 or 1, that's not 1, 1, then it becomes the yellow. So what you need to do is you keep going till however many numbers you need. And you just keep applying that rule to other colors. So this A1 to S19 is equal to, and then value of formula would be 2. And the color would be it would be this. If you need, you can pause the video and just see what numbers and letters I'm using for this. So it's easier for you. And then click on text color and the color next to the custom. And so it's important that you click on text color as well, otherwise you're going to have custom everywhere. So it's just not how it's supposed to be. Okay, and then click done, and then add another rule. It depends on how many colors you're using. If there is more than 10 colors, then you got to do that much amount because you need the colors. And then not less than was equal to is equal to value formula 3, and this is the last one for me. Black, and then just black, and then done. See, that is how much you've got right now. So I'm copying an image, and yeah, you just use the numbers on that one. So wait a second. I need to count how many squares and how many ones to miss. So for example, I have 1, 2, 3, 6. I need to skip 6 of them. 6, and then I do the value of 2, and then I just keep copying the image. If it has a grid and it has the numbers on it as well, then that is way more useful. So I got to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's the first row. And then you just keep going, keep doing the same thing. You can just follow along with me for now. So this is 2, and then I'm doing an easy symmetrical one, so it's easy. And then this is 1, 1, this one as well. And then so you just keep doing that, just for any of them, for any of the images that you're doing, this is how you do this. So you can see the picture starting to form now. It just looks pretty cool. The coolest thing about it is that you're doing it. It's not the computer doing it for you. It's like you're typing the colors, you're formatting it. It's pretty cool. 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And then this one is 1. And then you do 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then just one straight line of black, all of this. So you can see the sunglasses starting to form here. And then 2, and then 3 till here. 1, and 3 till this one, and 2. Okay, where was I? And 2, 3 till that one, and 1, 1, 1, 3 till the end. 2, 1, and 5 threes. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 5, 5, 1, 2. Okay, and now 2, and then 1 all the way across, and then 2. And then 2, 3 ones, 1, 3. So this is the smile right now. So I find it easy to just go to the other side and copy it, and then do that, because I'm going to be filling the rest with 1, like this. skip 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I needed 3. Then on the side, 2, 1, 3. No, wait, what? That's not 3. And then fill the rest with 1. And then the next row, there's 5 rows left. 2. No, wait, so what? Wait. 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, and then 3 till this smile, and then 1, 1, 2. So the smile is done now. And then 2, 1 all the way to the end, and 2. Nearly done. Last 2 rows. 2 all the way to the end, nearly. And 2. And then the rest. No, wait, what? No, wait. Oh, sorry, 3 lines. There's 2 lines left. 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Now, no, wait, sorry. 2 all the way till the end. And that is the end of the sunglasses emojis. So if this looks really flat, like rectangular, then you can just make it look better by doing this. Close the squares in a bit. And then you go in view and they change this. And then you go in show and you untick grid lines, which makes it look like proper emoji without the grids. And yeah, that's the end. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like the video.